So you might want to just place your hand on your belly as we softly inhale here and gently release, allowing the breath to move in through the nostrils. Feel it brush across the soft palate. Simultaneously, the belly expands. And then you feel that breath spread very slowly, bringing your awareness into the feeling of the breath moving in the front of the body, in the sides of the body, and in the back of the body. So the breath is widening as you take a fuller, deeper breath in. Eventually the breath moves all the way up to the clavicles, and you can really broaden across your collarbones to really widen at the very top of the in-breath. And that's where we begin to cultivate the pause by using the muscles of the throat. We hold there. And then just by lengthening through the tailbone, we exhale for double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally emptying out. There's now a widening across the pelvis as you draw down through your tailbone. Pausing here. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold at the top. Draw down through the tailbone. Exhale for double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We pause here. Inhaling. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Keep the crown of the head lifted, collarbones nice and wide. But stay connected by drawing down through the tailbone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause. Inhaling. 1, 2, 3. Hold at the top. Exhale for double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We pause here. Inhaling. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale for double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We pause. You can keep going here for another 10 breaths. And then just release through the belly. Take a free breath and a little rest.